welcome back to Modern Herbalist. As you can see from the wonderful autumn colours, we are now well and truly into autumn here in England, and I just wanted to give you a little update because the videos have been sort of on pause recently, although I plan to resume them as soon as possible. And the reason for this is that I have all of this building work going on at my house right now, and there's a lot of chaos. As you can see, all the plants have had to be tucked away over into the corner of my garden. I've got this little stand for them. I still have some indoors, but all of the outdoor plants obviously here sort of tucked away, and basically it's a bit impractical to sort of do anything major right now. So I'm basically going to wait for the building work to be finished. Hopefully that will be within the month or something like that, and then I'll be back to my usual upload rate and cracking on with my plans for the herbs and everything. But just a little pause right now while the building work is completed. And I suppose I should mention my plans sort of when I return to this within a month or so. What I'm going to work on doing is setting up the drying apparatus, because basically after the building work's completed, I'm going to gain access to a sort of hitherto unusable room in my house, and I'm actually going to dedicate this, at least partially, to herb drying and storing. So I'm going to get some drying racks or something like this, and that's going to be the drying room, okay, when this is all transpired. So that's what I'm looking to do next. So I'm going to get into the process of actually storing and drying large quantities of probably lemon balm, because as you can see, this is by far my most established plant. We've got this one as well, and that one over there. 3 of these pretty large plants which are giving me a lot of leaves at this point. So looking to start rolling out the lemon balm production when this is all transpired, and then probably I'm going to move on to something like oregano next as my number 2. But that's the plan, and that's what's going on. That's why there's been a bit of a pause recently, but I hope to be back in the full swing of it after the works are completed, hopefully within the month. So I will see you then.